In the frontal offset test, the interior space of the BMW 5 Series remained intact, ensuring the safety of passengers. The test dummies indicated that both the driver and the front passenger's knees and femurs were well protected. BMW's design ensures that this protection extends to people of various sizes and in different seating positions. In a frontal collision, the car's ability to absorb impact was evident, making it a relatively safe option for other vehicles involved. During the full-width rigid barrier test, both the driver and the rear passenger were well protected, with all vital body areas receiving good to adequate safeguarding. The car excelled in the side barrier test, offering excellent protection and achieving the highest score for this segment. However, in the harsher side pole test, the chest protection was somewhat less effective, with dummy readings showing only marginal protection due to rib compression. Apart from this, the car provided good to adequate protection in other areas. An important aspect of the 5 Series safety is its ability to control how much a body moves during a far side impact. This feature was evaluated as being very effective. The car includes a mechanism to reduce injuries when occupants on opposite sides collide during such impacts. This feature performed impressively in the pole impact test. Lastly, the front seats and head restraints of the 5 Series showed strong capabilities in preventing whiplash injuries during rear-end collisions. The rear seats were also analyzed, indicating a similar level of protection against whiplash. This comprehensive approach to safety demonstrates the BMW 5 Series effectiveness in protecting occupants from various types of impacts.